Welcome to the Altair SimLab tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a fillet and also see how to drill a hole. So let's see the problem description. We will first see how to create a fillet on the Parasolid CAD and on the FE data. And later, we will see how to drill a hole on the hex bodies and on the dead bodies. So the first option is how to create the fillets. Go to File, Open, select the SLB file, click Open. Now the file has been imported. Now go to Geometry, go to Features, select the Create Fillet option. Select the edges of the body. Enter the radius as 1 mm and click OK. So now if you see that the fillets at the edges has been created with the 1 mm radius. Now let's see the second option to create the fillet, which is on the FE body. Open the SLB file. Now the file has been opened. Again, go to Geometry, Features, Create Fillet option. Similarly, again select the FE edges. Make sure you enter the radius as 1 mm and the number of layers that are required. Click OK. So now if you see that the fillets has been created with number of layers as 3 with radius 1 mm. Now we will see how to create the drill hole option. Again, go to File, Open and select the SLB file. So we will see first how to drill a hole on the hex bodies. Go to Geometry, again go to Features, select the drill hole option here. We will use the first option, which is face on hex bodies. Select the face and now define the axis as Z axis with the radius of 2 mm and click OK. So you can see that the hole has been drilled on the hex body. Now let's see how to drill a hole on the dead bodies. Similarly, again go to Geometry, Features, select the drill hole option. Here we'll select the dead mesh body option. Select the body, define the axis as Z axis and enter the radius value as 2 mm and click OK. And say again OK. So now you can see that the drill hole has been generated on the dead mesh body.